Hello there! This video is about best drones for photography and videography in 2021. Actually, best drone for photography has been a higher demand, offering diverse of photography area. Numerous types of drones are available in market for best photography. They are distinguished by their price and service. As much you pay, the more service you'll get, like flight time, resolution, self-pilot, sensor sensitivity, etc. Let's peep through some of the best drones and their efficiency for photography and videography. 1. DJI Mavic Air 2. Based on some researches, DJI Mavic Air 2 has taken the first place for drone photography. It provides high-end camera with self-explanatory technology within just $1,000. With 4K video shoot capacity, 48 megapixel camera, it has the ability to sense objects from front, back and below. Having around 34 minute battery life, it contains smart flight mode, which helps it be on track while shooting. As the design is foldable and 1 pound and 30 pence weight, it's easy to carry anywhere. With high quality HDR video and quad Bayer image sensor, it's a great choice for professionals to bring their photography in another level. For professionals, it could be the best drone for photography. Key features: it has ultra-clear details with 1/2 inch image sensor. It has exacerbate HDR photo, video, panorama. It has cinematic content with 8K hyperlapse quick shots. It has capability to fly longer with RC battery life. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Another all-rounder drone for photography is DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. It has 12 megapixel camera, 4K HDR video resolution with 31-minute battery life. Ranges within 8 km and 72 km/h of max speed. It's a better choice for who wants to work from a distance. It can zoom 2 times optically and 2 times digitally without losing details. Price ranges from $1,200 to $1,400, including various features. It has hyperlapse and time-lapse feature, including dolly zoom effect, which adds more fun. It assimilates all of the advanced features with signature technology to make dreams come true for all passionate photographer. 4x lossless zoom FHD video gives user stunning output. Key features of this drone are: it can capture RAW and HDR photos. It has impenetrable folding design. Has 2x optical zoom lenses. Has high-resolution stitched mode. And sharp and smooth 4K video. Three. DJI Mavic Mini. Another great creation is DJI Mavic Mini with 12 megapixel camera, 2.7K video resolution, and 30 minutes of battery life. Max speed is 47 km/h and 4 km range. Less expensive price, which might be within $400. It has 3-axis camera stabilization gimbal to provide super smooth image. It's best for personal usage to gain people's attraction on your photos or video clips. With just 250 grams weight, get the best experience of photography to preserve more memories that can't overlook. You can take auto-generated video and share them instantly on your social media. Key features of this drone are: it has remote controller and video transmission operating ability. It has better gimbal mechanical range. Has 2.3 CMOS sensor. Flight battery works intelligently to avoid shot interrupt. PowerVision PowerRig X drone. Here comes an exciting one named PowerVision PowerRig X drone. It is extremely versatile with the ability to fly in rain or even over water. In description of it, it has 12 MP camera, 4K video resolution, and 30-minute battery life. Its range is 6 km with 65 km/h max speed. It has audio sync recording option and camcorder mode, no small image sensor and recording option and camcorder mode. Autonomous personal AI camera has face recognition capacity, and the intelligent composition mode grants taking selfie. These tremendous uncommon features are prominent for photo lovers. Key features of this drone are: it has deep learning of face recognition. It does automatic composition that always put you center. It has handheld gimbal camera mode. It has 20-knot wind resistance. And has voice sync system. Five, DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0, another good one for best photography. It bears 1,375 grams weight, having 20MP camera, 4K video, and 25 minutes flight time. It has subject tracking ability, which is very helpful. While describing the best drone for photography, Phantom Pro 4 V2 has its own territory for professionals. It has 5 direction of obstacle sensing and can avoid obstacle from 4 direction, which very great. This product is especially for professional usage. The incredible gimbal camera provides pro views of photos and videos, which consistently detail-oriented. Buy this extraordinary device in just $1,600 to make your photography easier and get all expensive features to make dreams come live. Key features of this drone are: it provides OcuSync HD transmission system, has 1-inch sensor with 20MP image, provides 14 FPS burst mode, has dual rear vision sensor. So finally, there are many options to choose what you need most for your photography. The drones earlier mentioned are the best example for best photography. For a better outcome, you also need to give focus on various things like using proper setting, don't rotate far, taking panoramic photos, etc. Realize the features correctly and conclude them with your needs to find the perfect drone for best photography. If you are taking this as a profession, then you must have to make a good budget also for the better experience. Till then, bye, and please do subscribe this channel for latest drone updates.